Hello, my name is Scott Richardson and I'm a doctor of acupuncture and oriental medicine. You know, a lot of my patients that are coming in, a lot of my athletes have never had these types of services before, and so they don't really know what to expect when they come in. So I just wanted to kind of take a second and explain, walk you through what happens. Now first, we do have online scheduling. When you schedule online, you'll receive a confirmation email, and that will also have all the paperwork that you need to fill out. So you can fill that out online so that you don't have to wait in our waiting room and fill that out before your appointment. Probably the most common question that I get is, does it hurt? And the answer to that is no. The instruments that we use are all sterile, single-use disposable needles. They're about 1/10 the size of the needles that you get shots or blood draws with, and so most of the time most people don't feel anything, or they might have a little bit of a dullness or a heaviness to the point, depending on the type of procedure that we're doing. But again, usually it's a very comfortable procedure. Of course, as a patient, you're always in control of the treatment, so if any time you are uncomfortable, just communicate that. We can either adjust the treatment if needed, or we can stop at any time. Another very common question is, what should I wear? I generally tell people to wear loose, comfortable clothing. Shorts and t-shirts are great. During the winter months, I'll tell people yoga attire, or if you can bring a change of clothes with you, that's always helpful as well. You'll never be completely naked during the treatment. That's not necessary, but generally loose, comfortable clothing is adequate. Depending on the treatment will depend on the length of time. Things with the dry needling or injection services, those I generally tell people plan around 15-20 minutes. Doing the traditional acupuncture style treatments, I generally tell people to plan about 45 to 60 minutes for those. Another important thing to realize is that before we begin any procedure, we're always going to sit down, go through the paperwork that you filled out, see how we can help you. If we need to change the appointment at that time, the style or what we're doing, we usually can. And so I generally will tell people, you know, don't worry about that. We will talk about what's going on, and then I can also offer any type of advice as we're discussing things to make sure that both you're comfortable with the treatment and the procedure, as well as it's the right one for you. Now, if you have any other questions, you can contact me through the website. My email address is there, and again, we do offer online scheduling for your convenience. But look forward to working with you, and have a great day.